Pinion torque checking socket is used to measure the torque required to rotate the steering pinion during assembly and damper adjustment. Using pinion torque checking socket. Note: before using this tool, ensure that the steering rack is positioned in the center and rack movement is smooth. To measure the torque, install the special tool on the pinion shaft of steering assembly. Now install the needle torque wrench on the tool and check the pinion torque by rotating the pinion gently in both the directions. Observe the reading on the torque wrench. This reading should be in the specified range for the vehicle as mentioned in the service manual. Advantages and benefits. This special tool helps in easy and accurate measurement of pinion torque. This saves time and ensures desired performance of the steering.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.